Recording in progress.
Good morning, guys. All are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm. Is my voice is audible?
Clear.
Visible?
Good.
Good.
Yes.
Thanks for confirmation. Yesterday's session, we started our discussion about Linux operating system, and we discussed what is operating system, what is Windows operating system, and what is Linux operating system, what are the distributions we have in the Linux operating system, and how to create the virtual machine in the AWS cloud. All these things we discussed in last session. I hope everyone is created account in AWS. I hope everyone created account in AWS, guys. Right? So yesterday we have created one virtual machine, guys. What is that virtual machine which we have created yesterday session, guys? Linux server, Linux new VM, something we have created. So let me check that. Yesterday we have created a new virtual machine, that is Linux new VM we have created. Once your practice is completed, how you will stop the virtual machine? Select that virtual machine, go to instance state. Here you can see the option to stop the instance, guys. Select the virtual machine which you need to stop and go to this instance state. Here we have option to stop instance. Click on this, your instance will be stopped. Okay, after practice, don't forget to stop the instances, guys. That is mandatory. Okay, otherwise unnecessarily, right, bill will generate, guys. Okay, even if you are using free tier also, right, once 750 hours completed, bill will generate, guys. That's why don't forget to stop the instance once your work is completed. So now, let me start our instance, guys. What is our instance? Linux new VM. See, guys, this is what we have created in yesterday's session. Linux new VM we have created. I am going to start this instance, guys. Click on this instance. Now go to the same. Again, we need to go for this instance state, guys. Again, we need to go for this instance state. Click on this instance state. Here we have the option to start the instance. Click on this start instance option, guys. Click on start instance option. Start instance. One minute, guys. 1 minute. So can you play a 50? Right, guys. Here we have started the instance, guys. You can see here now it is in running condition, guys. The instance is in running condition. Once the instance started, so we need to connect with this instance, guys. We need to connect with this instance. Okay. If you want to connect with this instance, where we need to go? We need to go to the location where our private key is available. We need to go to the location where our private key is available. Okay, so where our private key is available, guys? Yesterday we have downloaded, right? So that is downloaded in the downloads folder. So from there only you can connect with this virtual machine. If you, where we have this virtual machine, this virtual machine is available in cloud, AWS cloud. So, but if you want to connect from your system, I want to connect from our system to this virtual machine which is running in the AWS cloud. For that, in our system, we need some client softwares. If you want to connect with this virtual machine in our system, we need some client softwares. Okay, for that what we need to do? What client softwares are available? Observe carefully, guys. Here, so we have created Linux virtual machine, guys, where we have created Linux virtual machine in the AWS cloud. This is my AWS cloud. Assume this is my AWS cloud. This is my AWS cloud, guys. And in this AWS cloud, what we are doing? We are going to create the virtual machine, EC2 instance, Linux virtual machine. We are creating in the AWS cloud. This is my Linux VM. This is my Linux VM. Linux VM, guys. Linux virtual machine we have created. Okay. Whenever you have created Linux virtual machine, then what will happen, guys? Private key will be downloaded in your local system and public key will be stored in the AWS cloud itself, guys. Okay. To connect with this Linux virtual machine, what we need to do in our system, we should have the client software, guys. What client softwares are available? We have multiple client software. See, guys, this is my system. Assume this is my computer. So in my system, what I need to install? I need to install the client software, guys. Okay. Here I am going to install client software, guys. Observe carefully. So now, guys, based on your convenience, you can use any client software. We have multiple client softwares, and no one will force you to use particular client software, guys. Based on your convenience, you can use anything at here. So now here, see, this is my system, guys. And in my system, I need to install one client software that is called as Git software, guys. Git is available. You need to install Git. If you install Git, right, you can connect from your system to Linux virtual machine. Whenever you install Git software, you will get one application which is called as Git Bash application. Guys, and here what we are doing, and whenever you install Git software in your system, you will get one application that is called as Git Bash application. By using that Git Bash application, we can connect to the Linux virtual machine. Okay, so this is one approach which we have. Second approach is, right, we need to install, right, one more. We can install one more application, guys, that is called as Putty. By using Putty also you can connect to the virtual machine. Right here, I am going to install one more client software that is Putty, guys. By using Putty also you can connect to the Linux virtual machine. So now here I am going to install Putty. Putty, guys. Putty also one client application. By using this also we can connect to the virtual machines, guys. Okay, so next we have one more, guys, that is MobExtreme, guys. MobExtreme is available. So by using MobExtreme also you can connect to the Linux virtual machine. mobile script is available. By using this also, we can connect it to the Linux virtual machine. So like this, we will have multiple client softwares to communicate with the virtual machines which we have in the public cloud, guys. Okay. Now we'll see all three options, guys. Okay. First, if you want to use Git, first we need to download that Git in our local system, guys. Okay. Go to this browser, guys. Go to the browser. Here, just type for download Git. Download Git, guys. Here we are going to download the Git. Okay. Right here, I am using Windows machine, guys. Guys, here, right? So, right, I think, right, guys, for who is using Mac, for them automatically you guys will get Git, guys. Check it once. Okay. Right, for Mac people, right, automatically you guys will get some option to get this Git, guys. You don't need to download, guys. Check it once. Okay. Right. Yeah. Yes, guys. Right, for Windows, we need to download explicitly. Right. Download Git for Windows, guys. And same, you can search for download. Right. So Git for Mac, guys. By default in Mac machines, Git is available. You can use that, guys. Download Git for Windows. See, guys, here Git for Mac also available. Git for Linux also is available. Right, whatever the operating system you are using, you can choose accordingly. Now click on this download Git for Windows. Okay, so this is the official website of the Git, guys. Git-scm.com. Git-scm.com is the official website for the Git. Now click on this folder. Click on this link, guys. Click on this link. Right here, first line only. Click here to download the latest 2.43.0 at 64-bit version, guys. Okay. See, based on your system configuration, if your system is 64-bit, then you can download this. If your system is 32-bit, then you can go for this, guys. 32-bit Git or Windows setup, guys. For Windows setup. Okay, based on your system configuration, whether it is 32 or 64, you can select whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to click on this first one, guys. Click here to download the latest one, guys. Okay, so once you clicked on this, Git will be downloaded in your system, guys. See, here you can see it is downloading. It is downloading. .exe file will be downloaded into your system. Right, once it is downloaded, next what you need to do, right, where this folder, where this Git is downloaded, in the downloads folder, it is done. So now you can go to the downloads folder, you can see, guys, whether it is downloaded or not. See, guys, just today, just Git 2.43.0 is downloaded at here. So just double click on this, guys, next, finish. It will be installed in your system. Nothing you need to change. Whatever the default things you will get, keep those default things only. Next, finish it, guys. Git will be downloaded into your system. In my system, already it is downloaded. That's why again I'm not, already installed, guys. That's why again I'm not installing. Right, what you guys will do, this is just the exe file only. Double click, next, finish, guys. Git will be installed in your system, guys. Okay, fine. So once Git is installed in my system, then what we need to do, guys, right? We need to verify whether Git is installed or not. How you can verify? Right, open the command prompt here. Just type for cmd. Open the command prompt. Here you can see, guys, if Git is installed, it will give which version of Git is installed in your system. It will give, guys. Here what you need to give? Command Git space --version. If you give Git space --version, it will give which version of Git is installed in your system. Enter. See, guys, Git version 2.36 is available in my system. Now the latest version is 2.43, guys. This is the latest one. Okay. So like this, you need to install the Git in your system. Okay. This is one way to verify. And in the search bar, here we have, right, here you can go and here you can type just a Git, guys. Just a Git. If Git is installed in your system, then you can see this Git related things, guys. Git cmd, Git GUI, Git bash. See, guys, here we have Git bash application. Whenever you installed Git in your system, by default, Git bash application you will get. Here we got this Git bash application. Now, by using this Git bash application, I am going to connect, guys. Now click on this Git bash application. Click on this git bash application. You will get like this. Wait guys, it is see guys, currently where we are in the C drive, right? Users guys, this is my user ID, right? We are in the C drive guys, but where we have that private key, private key is available in the downloads folder guys, not in the users. Now right, without having that private key, I will try to connect guys, right? I will try to connect without having private key. Now go to here, how to connect with this. Select this instance, and here we have the option connect. Click on this connect option. Okay, whenever you clicked on the connect option, see under this SSH client, you will get this SSH command guys. What is this SSH command? Right, which user you are going to connect? Right, see, in every virtual machine we will have two users guys. One is the root user guys, second one is the default user guys. In the Amazon Linux machine, we have created Amazon Linux, right? In the Amazon Linux machine, the default user is EC2-user guys. The default user in the Amazon Linux is EC2-user. Okay, suppose if you take Ubuntu, you will get a default user Ubuntu guys. Even if you take Red Hat also, you will get EC2-user only as the default user. In every virtual machine, we will get two users. One is the root user who have all the permissions. Second one is the default user. In the Amazon Linux machine, the default user is EC2-user. Now, we are going to connect with this EC2-user which are available in this system. This is the virtual machine name. This is the name of the virtual machine. In this virtual machine, EC2-user is available. We are going to connect with that guys by using SSH. For that, we are going to use this PEM key. This is the key which we have downloaded guys. By using this PEM key, we are going to connect with EC2-user, right, who is available in this virtual machine. Okay, so this is the SSH command. Copy this SSH command. If you want to run this SSH command in the security group, SSH port should be enabled. Then only you can connect by using this SSH command guys. Okay, so where we can see that SSH port is enabled or not, you can go to here. Go to the instance guys. Again, go to our instance. Right, our instance name is Linux new VM, right? So go to that instance guys. Right, select this instance. I want to see that SSH port is enabled or not in the security group. Then only if it is enabled, then only I can connect. See, whenever you selected the virtual machine, here you are getting some details. Guys. Now click on this security tab. Guys. Okay, here we have the security groups. Security groups is available. Below, we have the security ID. This is the security ID. Click on this security ID, guys. It will navigate to another page, guys. See, guys, this is the security group page. Now here, we have inbound rules, outbound rules. What is this inbound rules, outbound rules? I will discuss in the AWS sessions. See here, network and security concept is there. At the time, I will talk about this inbound rules and outbound rules. I want to check guys. If you see here, see guys, SSH is running on port number 22. SSH is running on port number 22. In the inbound rules, SSH port is enabled. Right? If you are not enabling this, then you can't able to connect with the Linux virtual machine using SSH guys. Is it clear guys? In the security groups, SSH is enabled. That's why you can connect to the Linux virtual machine. What is the default port of this SSH? 22. 22 is the default port of the SSH. By default, it is enabled guys. So I'm not going to change anything at here. So again, I'm going back to my instances. Right. Here one instance is running guys. Go to this instance. Right. See guys, this is our instance. Select this instance. Now I'm going to click on the connect button. Click on the connect button. Right now under this SSH client, this command I'm copy. Now go to the git bash terminal. Go to the git bash terminal. This is our git bash terminal, guys. Guys, observe very carefully. I am not in the location where we have the private key. I am not in the location where we have the private key. From different location, I am trying to connect. We'll see what will happen first. Paste that SSH command, enter. Yes, I want to connect. See guys, what you are getting, what it is telling guys, EC2-user, this is the name of the computer, permission denied. To connect with this virtual machine, you don't have the permission. Right? You don't have the permission, guys. Right? How you will get the permission? You need to go to the location where that PEM file is available. But you are trying from different location. That's why you are getting permission denied error. So now what I want to do, where we have that key, observe carefully. Yesterday we have downloaded in the downloads folder DevOps-14 PEM. See guys, yesterday right, we have downloaded this key DevOps-14.pem. This is the key. Where we have this key is available in the downloads folder. So from there only you can connect. So how you will switch to that location? How you will go to that location, guys? Now observe carefully. Just here we need to change the directory cd downloads. Cd downloads, enter. See guys, cd downloads, enter. I am changing the directory, guys. Now, okay. Now currently you are in the downloads folder. Where that PEM file is available, that PEM file also available in the downloads folder only. Now from here I will try to connect. And now same SSH command I am going to paste. See guys, same SSH command. Let me copy that SSH command again. And now go to here, paste that, enter. Okay, perfect. See guys, you have connected to the Linux virtual machine. Earlier we have, this is guys our local, this is the path of our local system. This is C drive, right? In my C drive, this is my ID, right there. We are getting this, guys. Now, what you are getting now? Observe carefully. EC2-user, EC2-user, and this is the IP address of your virtual machine. This is the IP address of your virtual machine. You can check. Go to that instance, right? Go to that instance, guys, and here you can check the IP address. See, guys. What is the IP address here? It is showing 172.31.4.32. Is it same or not? 172.31.4.32 means you have connected to this virtual machine. You have connected to this virtual machine, guys. Okay. From here you can run all the commands, guys. From here you can execute all the commands. Now I have connected as what? As which user? I have connected as EC2-user. I want to check who is connected to this Linux virtual machine. If you want to check who is connected to this Linux machine, right, you can run this command, guys. Who am I? Who am I? If you run this command, it will give which user is connected with this Linux virtual machine. Which user is connected? EC2-user is connected. EC2-user is the default user, guys. Enter. See guys, what it is giving? I am the EC2-user. Who am I means it is telling I am the EC2-user. Next, I want to see today date. Date command we have. See guys, today is the February 15th we are getting. I want to see the calendar. Right here you can do cal command. It is giving the calendar, guys. And I want to see present working directory currently where I am in, right? For that, run pwd command. See, it is giving currently you are in home folder, EC2-user folder. So like this, you can execute all the commands at here. Currently, we are in Linux virtual machine. We have connected to the Linux virtual machine. Here you can perform the operations whatever you want, guys. Okay. Is it clear? How to connect using git bash is clear. First we need to download the git bash and we need to install the git bash. And next what we need to do, guys, right, we need to go to the location where that key file is available, and from there, right, we need to run the SSH command, guys. From there we need to run the SSH command, guys. Everyone is clear? How to connect Linux virtual machine using Git bash? Please respond. Everyone should respond. Then I will go for the next approach. Okay, perfect. Right here, what we did, guys? First, we have downloaded the Git, guys. Right, first step, download. Right, download Git. Right, from right by using below link. Download Git. For that, which link we used, guys? Here, go to here. I will provide the link also, guys. You can use same link. Right, go to here. Here, this is the right link which I have used. Okay, by using this, I have downloaded the Git, guys, and install Git. Install Git in Windows machine or whatever your machine is. Okay, once it is installed, next step, right, verify which version of Git is installed. Which version of Git is installed, we need to verify, right, by using this command, guys. Go to the command prompt. Right, now here for that, right, here first you need to go to the command prompt. Go to the CMD, guys. Go to the CMD. Right, run below command. Run below command. Which command, guys? Which command we need to run? Right here, git, right, hyphen version you need to execute. It will give which version of Git is installed in your system. Okay, so then open Git bash application. Open Git bash application. If Git is installed successfully, then you will get the Git bash application. Open that Git bash application. Next, go to the location. And where right, .pem file is available. Where .pem file is available in your system. Guys. Okay. So next, right, from there, right, run the right, SSH command. SSH command, guys. Run the SSH command. Here, just I am going to give that SSH command also, guys. Guys, don't use this SSH command. It will get changed. System to system, it will get changed, guys. Okay. So now here, let me copy that SSH command. That virtual machine name. The virtual machine name will different, guys. Okay. How you will copy that SSH command? Right. Select this virtual machine. Right. Select this virtual machine and click on connect button. Select it. Yes. No problem. I will copy from here. Here also I can get, right. I will copy from here, guys. Wait. Here whatever I have given, let me take from here. This is the SSH command. In my system, this is the SSH command I have. I'm copying this and I will paste in the but for your system, right, select this and click on connect button, then you will get that, guys, right, copy and use it, guys. So here, go to here, right, this is the SSH command, guys. Okay, right. After that it will be connect, and you can execute the commands, guys. Next, guys, next what we need to do, we have another option, right? What is that other option, guys? Using putty also we can connect. Using putty also we can connect, guys. For that, what we need to do, same story. Again, we need to go to here and download for the putty, guys. Download the putty for the, right, so Windows machine. Here just type as download, guys. Most of the people will use putty, guys. Right, download, right, putty. Download putty for Windows, guys. Enter. Right, here you can get this option. This is the official website, right? Download putty, right? Click on this, guys. Right, here we have the download putty option is available. You can click on this putty, download putty, guys. Here putty will be downloaded into your system. Okay, see, guys, here you can check whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit. You need to verify, and in my system 64-bit is available, so I am going to click on this, guys. Right, here putty is downloaded. Putty 2 times it is downloading, huh? Right, putty is downloading, guys. MSI file will be downloaded. MSI file nothing, right? Just double click, install, guys. Double click, next, install. Putty also will be installed in your system. Putty also will be installed in your system, guys. Very simple. Nothing you need to do. Just double click on that. In the downloads folder, you will get putty, guys. See, here we got putty installer. Double click on this, right? Putty will be installed in your system. Okay, very good. So now important point, guys. Yesterday I told, if you want to connect using putty, then temp file will not work. We need to use PPK file we need to use, guys. What I told yesterday, if you want to connect using putty, then PPK file is required, guys. Do you have that PPK file in your system? No, I don't have. Then what do you have? You have the PEM file. So first we need to create PPK file from that PEM file, guys. How to create that PPK file from that PEM file, guys? See, whenever you install putty in your system, here go to this button, guys. Here just search for putty. Here just search for putty, guys. Here you can see the options. Guys. See, if putty is installed successfully in your system, you will get this putty application. We will use this putty application to connect with the Linux virtual machine. But my requirement is not connecting. First, I need to generate the PPK file. How you will generate the PPK file? See, guys. For that, we need to go for this putty gen application. Here we have two applications are available. One is the putty application. Second one is the putty gen application is available. And here I am going to use putty gen application to connect to generate the PPK file, guys. Okay, click on this putty gen, guys. Click on this putty gen. Okay, like this you will get it here. Putty key generator. This is the putty key generator, guys. Now click on this file. And here we have the load private key. What is the private key? PEM file is nothing but our private key. PEM file in our system, PEM file is downloaded, right? That is the private key. You need to load that PEM file. Click on this load private key. Right, where it is there in the downloads folder, that PEM file is available. Right, which name, guys? We have given, right, DevOps. Right, DevOps 14. What we have given? DevOps 14. See, guys, DevOps 14 PEM. DevOps 14 PEM we have given. Select this, guys. Select this one. Okay, open. See, guys, okay, successfully imported. Okay, right. So, guys, next we need to save that, guys. We need to save that in our system, guys. Once that key is downloaded, we need to save into our system, guys. Okay, click on save key. Here it is asking. I need to save as in the downloads folder only. I am giving and I am giving the name, same name I am giving, guys. Putty a DevOps 14, 14 I am giving, guys. DevOps 14 I am giving it here. And I want to save, guys. I want to save it here, guys. Now click on save button. Not, guys. Not public key. Click on the save private key, guys. I clicked on this. Save private key, guys. Here save private key. Click on this. Are you sure you want to save this key? Yes, I want to save. Right now here what we need to do, guys, same here. See that whenever you clicked on that private key, here you can see save as type putty private key file, ppk file, guys, and you can give the name as DevOps-14. Okay, DevOps-14 we are giving, guys. Right, putty private key file I am going to save. Click on save. Okay, right. So here override existing file. Yes. Fine, guys, it is saved, guys. Then what we need to do, once it is saved, guys, you can remove this, guys. You can remove this one. You can close it, guys. Once it is saved, you can close that. So next we need to open putty app, guys. Next we need to open putty app. Putty key is generated, guys. Now let me go to the putty app. Let me go to the putty app, guys. Okay. Right now here, what we need to do? First, you need to give the host name and which system you want to connect. So that host name we need to give. Right now, how you will get that? Go to here, guys. Go to here. Host name is nothing but IP address of the mission only. Go to here and now here instance still it is loading. A minute. Host name is nothing but we need to give the public key. Why we need to give the public key? We are going to connect from outside of the network. We are not within the network. We are connecting from outside of the network. If you are within the network, then you can use the private key. But I am connecting from outside. From my Windows machine, I am connecting. Then we need to use the public key, not private key, guys. Okay. So then we need to get the public IP address. How you will get? Once that instance is loaded, select that instance, guys. Right, then you will get the details. Then you can see the public IP, private IP, everything, guys. Let me show you. Okay. Fine. Here, what is our instance? Go down. Our instance is Linux new VM is our instance. Right. Select this, guys. Select this Linux new VM. Here, this is the public IP. Right, this is the public IP. Copy this public IP. Right, click on this button, guys. Click it here. Right, that public IP will be copied. Okay. So now go to here. Right here, paste. We need to paste that public IP, guys. And right, you are going to connect as SSH. So SSH port number is 22. By default, SSH is running on 22 port. So keep that only, guys. And here it is the connection type also SSH only. Right, by default connection type SSH is selected and port 22 is there. Keep these two things as it is. Here you need to give only IP address, only public IP address of your virtual machine you need to give. Okay, fine. So then we need that PPK file. Whatever the PPK file we have generated, that PPK file we require. How you will get that PPK file? See, guys, here we have left side, guys. Here list of options are there. Here we have the SSH. See, left side here we have the SSH, guys. Here just click on the SSH, guys. Right. Once you clicked on the SSH, here we have auth option. Just select that auth option, guys. Guys, not required to click on this plus symbol. Just select that auth option, guys. Go to SSH. In the SSH, select the auth option. When you have selected the auth option, here you will get the option to browse the PPK file. Here you got the option to browse the PPK file. Click on this browse button. Click on this browse button. So now tell me where your PPK file is available. It is available in the downloads folder. Go to this downloads folder. Right here, select guys. I want the PPK file. I want putty private key file guys. Okay, where it is available guys. Now go down. Here you can type. You can type it here guys. DevOps, right? iPhone 14 we have given. DevOps iPhone 14 we have given this. Okay. See, you got this DevOps iPhone 14 at here. We got this DevOps iPhone 14 guys. You have downloaded that guys. Now click on open. Here we have the open. Right? Click on open. And here accept guys. Click on accept option. Right here it is asking login as what? I want to log in as what? I want to log in as a EC2 iPhone user. So now here you need to give the name as EC2 iPhone user. EC2 iPhone user. Enter. Wow. See, here you have connected to the Linux virtual machine. Here you have connected to the Linux virtual machine guys. 1 minute. Let me change the fonts. Appearances. Here you will get font guys. Change. Here bold. I'm going to take 16. Okay. Okay. Apply. See guys, you have connected to the Linux virtual machine using putty. Again here you can run same commands whatever you executed in git bash. Who am I? Who am I? I am the EC2 iPhone user. Present working directory. Right, home/EC2 user. Today right calendar, this month calendar. And today date like this. You can execute all these commands. Okay, so this is another approach which we have to connect with the Linux virtual machine guys. Okay, right. See here we are using putty guys. Same. We have one more option that is called MobExtreme guys. Multiple options are there. We can't able to discuss everything right. So we have one more option. MobExtreme is there. So by using MobExtreme, how to connect I will show. So now again same here. Go to here. Download MobExtreme. Download MobExtreme. Download MobExtreme guys. See, we have downloaded the MobExtreme. See guys, here click on this. Click on this. Okay, so now here click on this guys. Click on this MobExtreme, right? Portable edition, right? You can click on this guys. MobExtreme will be downloaded into your system. Once it is downloaded, you no need to install this guys. You no need to install this. Here click on this guys, it will be downloaded into your downloads folder. Right here you will get in the form of zip file guys. You will get in the form of zip file. You need to extract that zip file guys. That's it. See here you are getting zip file. I'm cancelling guys. It will take time. Already it is downloaded in my system guys. Let me go to there. Go to here. And if you search MobExtreme, see guys, MobExtreme, once you have extracted, so you will get MobExtreme portal like this, you will get it here. So let me go inside this. Let me go inside this. See, here we have this option, MobExtreme Personal. You no need to install, just download and you can go to this location. But you need to extract the zip file. Okay, if you click on this, MobExtreme application will be open guys. Wait. Like this you will get it here. So let me delete existing corrections guys. delete these sessions, existing sessions I am deleting. Okay, fine. I'm going to create the new session, guys. Here we have the option session. Click on the session option. You will get like this. Now we need SSH connection, right? So click on this SSH. Click on this SSH. Here we need to provide the host name, guys. We need to provide the host name. How we will get that host name? Already we have seen, right? Already we have seen. Go to the instance, right? Copy the public IP, guys. Right? This public IP only host name. Copy this public IP. Right? Go to here. Right? Paste that public IP here. Okay, and here select this username. Here we need to provide the username, guys. What is the username? Right? EC2 hyphen user. EC2 hyphen user is the username. Here we need to provide the username and the port number is 22. Right? Same, guys. SSH, whenever you have selected SSH, automatically port number will come here. SSH is running on port number 22, so you no need to modify anything. Here just you need to provide the host name and the username we need to provide. Then go to these advanced SSH settings. Go to this advanced SSH settings. Here use private key. Select this use private key. And you need to select where that private key, guys. You need to load that private key. Where the private key is available? In the downloads folder. In the downloads folder, private key is available. Right. Now, the downloads folder, you can go to the right. Yesterday we have downloaded, right? Guys, here PEM file only required. Here not PPK file. PPK file is only for the right putty, guys. Right, for mob extreme, for git bash, all those things. PEM file is enough. Select this PEM file. Copy. Okay. So PEM file is loaded, guys. Now click on connect button. Okay. Accept. See, guys, we have connected to the right virtual machine using mob extreme. Same here, you can execute all your commands. Who am I, right, date, right, cal, right. So like this, you can execute the commands in this machine, guys. See, guys, now observe carefully. How many virtual machines we have? How many Linux virtual machines we have, guys? Respond.
One.
Only one we have. See how many connections are there. Right, from mob extreme I have connected. From git bash I have connected. From putty I have connected, guys. Is it correct or not? Right, from putty I have connected here. See here, you can perform the operations. Now here, through putty, I am going to create a file, guys. Just observe carefully. Touch, by using touch command. Here I am creating one file, f1.txt. f1.txt, guys. I have created one file by using putty. So now let me go to the mob extreme. Right, from mob extreme, I am going to get that file, guys. Now here, ls-l. ls-l. See, guys, here f1.txt file came or not? f1.txt file came or not? By using which application I have created? I have created this by using. What, guys? Putty I have created. But here I am getting by using the mob extreme also. Means what? Linux is multi-user based operating system. At a time, multiple connections are there. Right, for same Linux machine, multiple connections. One is from git bash, another one is from mob extreme, another one is from putty, guys. But if you go to Windows operating system, can you do this? Multiple connections is possible in Windows machine at a time. No. But here, by using, right, if you go to the Linux operating system, right, multiple connections we can create simultaneously. Multiple people can use simultaneously. That's why Linux is a multi-user based operating system. Okay, now you can use, right, which one is comfortable for you. If you want, you can go with git bash. If you want, you can go with putty. If you want, you can go with mob extreme. Which one is comfortable for you, you can use that, guys. There is no change in the client software which we are going to use, guys. Right, anything you can use. Same commands, same syntaxes. There is no difference. Right, the commands will not vary from client machine to client machine, guys. Commands are same. Right, which one is comfortable for you, you can use that client machine to connect with our Linux virtual machine. Now observe this diagram. Here we have created the Linux virtual machine in the AWS cloud. To connect with this Linux virtual machine, we have used multiple client softwares. You can use Git or Putty or MobXtream, anything you can use it here to connect with the Linux virtual machine. Is it clear?
Yes.
Right. So now observe carefully, guys. After creating the Linux virtual machine, right, the most important point in the Linux, everything is represented as files only. In Linux, everything will be represented as files only, guys. Okay. Right here, we have two types of files are available, guys. In Linux, everything will be represented as files only. Here we have two types of files are available. What two types of files are available? One is the directory file. Second one is the normal text file. In Linux, everything will be represented as files only. Here we have two types of files are available. One is the normal text file. Second one is the directory file. Guys, I am going to maintain all Linux related commands in same nodes. Yesterday, whatever the nodes we have created, I'm going to that nodes, guys. There only I will write everything, guys. Right? Instead of maintaining multiple notepads for Linux, right? I'm going to keep everything in the same place. So yesterday, what nodes we have created? 1402. So this is our Linux nodes, right? Here only I'm going to keep all the commands, guys. All the commands I'm going to keep it here only at the end. Okay. Here I'm going to start this. Here I'm going to start Linux commands. So Linux commands, guys. Okay. See, in Linux, that everything will be represented as files only. Everything will be represented as files only, guys. And we have below two types of files. We have below two types of files, guys. Two types of files. And what files are available? One is directory file. One is the directory file. Second one is normal text file. Normal text file is available. Guys, observe very carefully. And here we have two types of files are available. One is the directory file. Next one is the normal text file is available. Now we'll try to understand how to create this directory file and how to create this normal text files in the Linux virtual machine. Okay. Right. Guys, we have seen some of the basic commands, right? So let me give those commands also. To know the present working directory. Which command we need to run, guys? We need to run pwd command. pwd stands for present working directory. Next, if you want to know the current user, who is the current user? To know the current user. What command we need to give? And here we need to give who am I. It will give the current user information. Okay. Next, guys, I want to create a directory file. And create directory file. How you will create the directory file, guys? Let me show it here. I'm going to this putty, guys. Now here, see, guys. Now observe carefully. And I want to check current directory, guys. pwd. It will give the present working directory. And so currently we are in the home EC2-user directory. Now I want to check, is there any files are available in the present working directory or not? How you will check, guys? For that we need to run ls command. Ls stands for list. What it will do? It will provide all the file names which are available in the present working directory. It will give the list of files which are available in the present working directory. Whether it is a directory file or normal text file, it will give all the files which are present in the present working directory. ls, enter. And we have only one file, that is f1.txt. f1.txt earlier we have created, right? So that file is available. So now I want to create a directory file. Right? How you will create the directory file? To create the directory file, we need to use mkdir command. Mkdir stands for make directory. I want to create one directory file. For that I am using mkdir command. mkdir stands for make directory. Here I am going to give the directory name as DevOps. DevOps I am giving as the directory name. Enter. Okay, so now I want to see what files are available. Then you can run ls command. ls. See here, DevOps file is created. DevOps is the directory file. That directory file is created. At a time, can you create multiple directory files? Yes, we can create. mkdir space. I am going to create AWS directory folder and I am going to create Java directory folder. Right, Java directory file and AWS directory file I want to create. So here mkdir AWS space Java I am giving. Enter. So now you can check ls. See guys, right, AWS file is created, right, Java file also created. So now here whatever the sheet is showing in blue color, see, these are the directory files. These are the directory files. AWS, DevOps and Java. So now currently where I am in guys? Currently, I am in the at home EC2-user. Now, I want to switch into AWS directory. I want to move into AWS directory. If you want to go inside the directory, then which command we need to use? CD command. CD stands for change directory. Which directory you want to go? I want to go into AWS directory. I want to go into AWS directory. For that, I am using CD command. Enter. So now here you can check pwd. Pwd guys. See guys, here I can check pwd. So it will give present working directory. Enter. Observe carefully. Earlier you are in the EC2-user directory. But now you are in the AWS directory. We switch it to AWS directory guys. Now again I want to come back from AWS to EC2-user only. Then what you need to do? Just cd space dot. Cd space dot. You will come out from the AWS to the previous directory guys. Enter. See guys, again you can check pwd. Here what it is giving? Home EC2-user. Again you came back to the previous directory EC2-user only. Okay, fine. So now here what I am going to do? In the AWS, I am going to create one more directory guys. For that, go to AWS. Currently, I am in the AWS directory. In the AWS directory, I am going to create one more directory, mkdir EC2 directory I am creating. EC2 directory I am creating inside the AWS. Enter. Enter guys. Now here you can check guys, ls. Right, what we have in the AWS directory, we have only one file, that is the EC2 file. That is EC2 file guys. Okay, so now you can go to the EC2 directory also. Right, currently you are in the AWS. From AWS, I want to switch to EC2. From AWS, I want to go to EC2. For that, cd, here you can give EC2 guys. Enter. See guys, now you can check pwd. Where you are in? You are in the EC2 folder. Home, EC2-user, AWS, EC2 guys. You are in the EC2. Very good. If you want to come out from one directory, then you need to give cd space dot. Cd space dot guys. But I want to come out from two directories at a time. Right? I want to come out from EC2 and I want to come out from AWS also. At a time, two directories I want to come out. Then what you need to do? If you want to come out from one directory, just you need to give cd space dot. If you want to come out from two directories, then cd space dot slash again dot you need to give. Cd space dot slash dot guys. Now at a time you will come out from the two directories guys. Enter. Now you can check pwd. See guys, where you are in? EC2-user. At a time you came out from EC2 and AWS also. If you give cd space dot only from one directory you will come out. If you want to come out from multiple directories, then what you need to give? Cd space dot slash dot. Two directories will come out. Three directories again slash dot. So like that you can come out from the multiple directories. Okay. Now currently I am in the EC2-user. From the EC2-user, at a time I want to go inside two directories guys. AWS EC2. I want to jump into EC2 at a time. Then what you need to do? See guys, cd. Here we need to give what guys? AWS slash EC2 guys. See, at a time I want to go into two directories guys. Inside AWS EC2 is there. Directly I want to go into the EC2 guys. For that, cd space AWS slash EC2, enter. Now here you can check pwd. See guys, currently we are in the EC2 directory. Is it clear guys? How to create the directory file, how to go inside the directory file, how to come out from the directory file, all these things are clear. Respond, please respond.
Yes, yes.
Fine. So now let me add these things in our notes. Guys, everything I will give the notes, don't worry. Let's create a directory file. What I want to do, I want to create the directory file. For that, here what command we need to run guys? Here we need to run mkdir, and here the directory name we need to provide. Directory name we need to give it here guys. Okay, here example, let we have given like this. Observe carefully. Here what we have given guys, example. Okay, see guys, here we have given, right, here mkdir, right, here we have given DevOps directory, and here we have given, right, mkdir AWS directory, right? So like this we can create any number of directory files. Once you have created the directory file, I want to switch inside the directory file. I want to go inside the directory file. How you will go to the inside the directory file guys? By using cd command we can change the directory. Guys. Now here, right, to go inside directory file guys. What we need to do? Here we need to use, see guys, dollar, right, cd, and here you need to provide the directory name. What is the directory name? You want to provide it here guys. Here example, see guys, right, dollar, I want to go cd. Guys, you no need to give the dollar again. Here already it is there. Guys. This dollar is there. Right, directly you can give the command guys. Okay. So now here what you need to do? I want to go inside the directory, right? Here provide the directory name guys. In which directory you want to go? Provide the directory name. Here I want to go inside the DevOps directory. I want to go. So now here dollar, right, cd, inside the AWS directory I want to go guys. Okay, so like this. Here cd stands for what? Here I am giving cd. Right, cd stands for right, change directory guys. Okay, here mkdir stands for make directory. mkdir stands for make directory. Right, mkdir stands for make directory, cd stands for change directory guys. Okay, so now like this we can go inside the directory guys. Okay, fine. So now if you want to come out from the directory guys, I want to come out from the directory, then what we need to do? Cd space dot we need to provide. Right, to come out from the directory, what we need to use here? Here we need to use it cd space dot guys, to come out from multiple directories at a time. Right, to come out, exit from, right, multiple directories at a time. So then here what we need to use here? Dollar cd space dot and slash dot guys. Okay, to go inside multiple directories, and to go two steps forward guys, to go two steps forward. What we need to do? Right, two steps forward guys, means two directories at a time I want to go. Dollar, and here cd, right, now like this guys. Now here you need to give dir directory name 1, right, dir name 1, right, slash again another dir name 1, name 2. Like this, you need to give the 2 directory names, guys. Like this, you need to give 2 directory names. See here, $cd. Here I am giving AWS / and again EC2 I am giving. Okay, so like this you can go in, write 2 directories inside. You can come out from 2 directories. You can go to 1 directory, guys. Is it clear, guys? How to create the directory, how to switch to the directory, all these things are clear. Guys, in Linux, everything will be represented as files only. Here we have 2 types of files. One is the directory file. Second one is the normal text file. Normal text file, guys. Okay, right? How to create the directory file? By using mkdir command, we can create the directory file. Right? How to change the directory? By using cd command, we can go inside the directory, or we can come out from the directories by using cd command. CD stands for change directory. mkdir stands for make directories. Okay, we will discuss in detail. We will discuss here. Some more things we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Okay, so now anyone have any questions in today's session? What we discussed in today's session, guys? First, we understood how to connect with the Linux virtual machine by using git bash. Next, how to connect with the Linux virtual machine by using putty. Next, how to connect with the Linux virtual machine by using MobExtreme. Right? We have seen all these 3 approaches. Then we have started the Linux commands. Just started the Linux commands. In Linux commands, we have seen how to create the directory file. That's it. Okay, just we have seen how to create the directory file. Guys, this is just basic, guys. Just a basic command. We have so many advanced commands we need to discuss. Is that clear? Anyone have any questions in today's session? Guys, you guys are not required to try with all approaches, guys. Just and which one is comfortable, you can use that. That's it. Either it is git bash or MobExtreme or putty, which one is comfortable, you guys can use that. Not required to try with all approaches. No one will ask which one, which one you are using in in your company, so how you will install that, and how you will connect from there, and no one will ask these kind of silly questions. Okay, which one is comfortable for you, and you can use that, guys. Anyone have any questions? Please respond.
No.
What about others, guys? Please. Guys, we will learn, very neat way we will learn all the commands. Don't worry. I will give, step-by-step notes also. Okay, you guys will become masters. Don't worry, guys. But just what I'm expecting is practice. You guys should practice, guys. Without practicing, we can't able to learn anything. Just if you guys attended for the session, so not enough. After completing the session, you guys need to practice. Then only you guys can remember these commands. Please practice, guys. Please practice. I don't know how many people are created the account in the AWS. How many people are created the virtual machine, guys? If anyone not done, please do it at least today. And please do it at least today. Why? Because tomorrow is Friday, right? Tomorrow Friday, right? Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we will learn more commands. So then you guys have the holiday on Sunday, right? We don't have the class on Sunday. On Sunday, you can practice all these commands multiple times. Okay. Day-to-day practice is required, and Sunday you can sit and you can practice all the commands till Saturday, what we discussed once again, guys. So if anybody not created the account, if anybody not created the virtual machine, at least do today, guys. At least do it today. Okay. Very good. Right, good, Derek. Please, right. So